This is your fridge. The fridge runs on gas. To turn it on, hold down the black switch, and when the black switch turns green, this is when you know your fridge is working. Make sure your fridge is selected on the flame. The option next to this is a bar that goes to 5. When you turn the bar to 5, this is giving maximum gas. If your fridge is not cold, turn it on bar 5 for 2 hours. After this, bring the bar down to 2. This will maintain the cold temperature inside your fridge. The next selection is giving you the option of keeping your freezer on or off. We recommend keeping your freezer on as it doesn't cost any more gas to keep it on.